Hi, I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. Well, we start out the year in such better shape with our soil moisture across the state. A map of 10-inch soil moisture shows that only two sites, Fort Cobb at 0.1 and Weber Falls at 0.2, come in dry on our scale of soil moisture. This is a scale of 0 at dry, 1 at wet, and you can see all those dark green areas across the state indicating good moist soils. Taking a look at a graph that shows the rainfall in 4 sequences, January, March, April, June, July, September, and October, December, we take a look at 2010, that's the blue, 2011, that's the red, and then the green shows normal. And we can see how back in 2010, things were pretty close to normal until we got to October, December, and then they came in at only 4.5 inches for that time period. Going back then to 2011, January and March, 4 inches below normal for a statewide average. April and June come in again below average. July, September, way below average at 4.6 inches of rainfall statewide. And then October, December, a big bump in rainfall, 9.5 inches for the state. Gary, what can we look forward to as we begin 2012?
Thanks, Al, and welcome to 2012, everybody. Since we haven't been on for a while, I thought we'd start with a look at the U.S. Drought Monitor map. Now, I'm afraid it's the same old map. This map was released on January 5th of 2012, and we still have basically the western half of the state covered in mostly extreme drought, but a little bit exceptional drought still holds on out there in the western Oklahoma Panhandle. And then for the eastern half of the state, a little bit of moderate to severe drought, and then completely out of drought over in far east central Oklahoma and the southeastern portions of the state. Now, if we take a look ahead using the U.S. Seasonal Drought Outlook from the National Weather Service's Climate Prediction Center, we see that drought is expected to persist or intensify through basically the western half of the state. The outlook for precipitation from the Climate Prediction Center for January shows an increased chance of above normal precipitation through the eastern part of the state and an increased chance of below normal precipitation in the far western parts of the state in the Oklahoma Panhandle. A look at the temperature outlook from the Climate Prediction Center for January, we see much of the central part of the United States, including Oklahoma, has an increased chance of above normal temperatures. We've seen a very warm period already through December, and January looks to continue that warm period. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.